So the Republic Day sale is live, and honestly, the washing machine deals right now are actually really good. I'm talking front load washing machines that usually cost 40,000 rupees available at 28,000 rupees, like genuinely solid discounts. So if you have been planning to buy a washing machine, this is the time to check. Hi, I am Pooja and welcome to Clearbuy. Alright, before we jump into deals, quick important things. Bank offers. Flipkart has 10% off with HDFC cards. Amazon has 10% off with SBI cards. All the prices I am sharing are after applying coupons and bank offers. So what I am telling you is the final price you'll actually pay. Now these prices won't stay the same for long. They fluctuate during sales based on demand and stock levels. What I am sharing is live right now as I am making this video. So check both Amazon and Flipkart before buying and grab the deal wherever it's better. Alright. Let's go through the best deals. I'll start with top load options first, then move to front load. Starting with top load washing machines. These are great if you want convenience, faster wash cycles and lower maintenance. First, Godrej 7 kgs. Regular price around 14,000 rupees. Right now, 11,382 rupees. Perfect for 3 to 4 member families. Budget friendly and Godrej service network is solid. If your budget is strictly under 12,000 rupees, this is your pick. Second, LG 8 kg. Usually 19,990 rupees. Offer price 16,490 rupees. This one I actually like because you are getting LG reliability, 8 kg capacity for bigger families and the turbo drum technology really helps with washing quality. Good value at 16,000 rupees. Third, Samsung 8 kg Eco Bubble. Regular price 20,000 rupees. Now at 15,740 rupees. Wait, this is actually a great deal. Samsung Eco Bubble at under 16,000 rupees. That's genuinely impressive. The Eco Bubble technology works really well for dissolving detergent. Means better wash quality even in cold water. If you can spend 16,000 rupees, this is excellent. Now, front load machines. These give you better wash quality, gentler on clothes, save water and dry clothes faster. First, LG 9 kg front load. Regular price 30,000 rupees. Offer price 28,660 rupees. This has a 1200 RPM motor. Wi-Fi connectivity for smart controls. Really solid machine. Now, quick note. The same LG model in 8 kg capacity is coming at around 2,000 rupees less. So if you have a smaller family and 8 kg is enough, save the 2,000 rupees. But for bigger families, 9 kg at 28,660 rupees is great value. Second, Bosch 9 kg Series 6. Regular price 39,000 rupees. Offer price 28,640 rupees. Okay, this is an insane deal. Bosch quality at under 29,000 rupees. This has a 1400 RPM motor. That's faster spin. Means clothes come out drier. No Wi-Fi on this one. But honestly, most people don't need that feature. Now, here is something important. The 8 kg Series 2 model is coming at almost the same price. So just get the 9 kg Series 6, better capacity, better series, same money. Third, IFB 9 kg. Regular price 38,000 rupees. Offer price 28,990 rupees. IFB is known for really gentle washing. Great if you have delicate fabrics or expensive clothes. This also has 1400 RPM motor plus Wi-Fi. At 28,990 rupees, it's competing directly with Bosch. Both are excellent. Honestly, pick based on brand preference. And same thing here. The 8 kg version is about 2,500 less. So decide based on your family size. Next, Samsung 9 kg front load. Regular price 40,000 rupees. Offer price 30,340 rupees. Now this is Samsung's AI Eco Bubble technology. I've tested this one. And yeah, the washing quality is genuinely impressive. 1400 RPM motor, Wi-Fi, that digital inverter technology for quieter operation. At 30,340 rupees, really good for those who want Samsung reliability with smart features. And again, the 8 kg model is around 2,000 rupees cheaper. So if 8 kg works for you, save that money. And here is the big one. Samsung 11 kg front load. Regular price 46,000 rupees. Offer price 34,100 rupees. Wait, this is actually an insane deal. For big families like 6 to 7 people or if you do a lot of laundry, this is phenomenal value. That extra capacity means fewer loads, saves time and electricity. Honestly, if your family size justifies it, this is the best deal in the entire sale. So those are the best washing machine deals live right now in the Republic Day sale. I've linked all these washing machines in the description. And if you are confused about which machine to buy, we have made a detailed comparison video on our channel. Check that out for complete clarity. If this helped you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Drop a comment if you grab any of these deals. I would love to know which one you picked. Happy shopping, and remember, don't just buy, clear buy. See you soon.